Standard 7, lesson number 12, perimeter and area, practice at 47. Find the total surface area of cube. Having the following side. Now first question, side is given 3 cm and we have to find out the total surface area of cube. Formula for the total surface area of a cube is 6 into side square. So 6 into side is given 3 cm. So 3 square. So this is 6. 3 square is 9. That means 3 3s are 9. So 3 square is 9. So 9. And 6 9s are 54. So the answer is total surface area of a cube with side 3 cm is 54 cm square. Now we'll go to the second question. Side is given 5 cm. Second question, side is 5 cm. Total surface area of a cube formula is 6 into side square. 6 into 5 square. Now 6 into 5 square is 5 5s are 25. So 6 into 25 is 150 and it is centimeter. So area will be centimeter square. So the answer for the total surface area of a cube is 150 centimeters square. Now the third question. Side is given 7.2 meter. The total surface area of the cube formula is 6 into side square. That is 6 into 7.2 the whole square. Now 6 into. Now first we'll find out the square of 7.2. So we'll multiply 72 into 72. Don't consider decimal point while multiplying. We'll give a decimal point directly to the answer. So if we'll multiply 72 into 72, we'll get 5184. Now as this is 7.2 and 7.2, decimal point is after one digit and the other decimal point is after one digit. So to the answer, the decimal point will come after 2 digits. This is 1 plus 1 is 2 digit. So this is 51.84. Now we'll multiply 6 into 51.84. So multiply 5184 by 6. You will get the answer 31,104. Here the decimal point is after 2 digits. So here also decimal point will come after 2 digits. So this is the answer. Unit is in meter. So the unit for this is meter square. Fourth question, side is given 6.8 meter. We have to find the total surface area of a cube. Formula 6 into side square. That is 6 into side is 6.8 the whole square. So 6 into, first we'll find out the square of 6.8. So just multiply 68 into 68. After multiplying you will get 4624. And as the decimal point after one digit and here after one digit, to the answer the decimal point will come after 2 digit. So this is 46.24. Now multiply this 4624 by 6. You will get 27,744. Decimal point is after 2 digits. So here also will give decimal point after 2 digit. And the unit is in meter. So this unit will be meter square. Fifth question, side is given 5.5 meter. Total surface area of a cube 6 into side square. That is 6 into 5.5 the whole square. So 6 into 55 into 55 is 3025. So decimal point after one digit, here also one digit. So to the answer decimal point will come after 2 digit. So this is 30.25. Now multiply by 6 will give 181.50. Okay. So the answer is 18,150. After giving decimal point it will be 181.50 or we can write only 0.5. So this is 181.5 meter. So this is meter square. Now the question number 2. Find the total surface area of a cuboid of length, breadth and height as given below. So that means this is a length. L is equal to 12 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 5 centimeter. We have to find out the total surface area of cuboid. So we'll write the total surface area of cuboid. Formula is 2 in the bracket length into breadth plus length into height, or breadth LB plus BH plus if we have written LB plus LH, so next will be BH. So we can write the formula 2 in the bracket LB plus LH plus BH, or we can write LB plus BH plus LH, anyhow. Now we'll substitute the values. So 2, L is 12, B is 10 and H is 5. So LB, that is 12 into 10 plus LH 12 into 5 plus BH 10 into 5. Here 2 times length, 2 times breadth and 2 times height should be there. So 12 tens are 120 plus 12 fives are 60 plus 10 fives are 50. Now we'll add all these numbers. 120 plus 60 is 180. 180 plus 50 is 230. Now 230 multiplied by 2 is 460. Now we have to give the unit, as this is all on centimeter. This will be centimeter square, or we can write the square centimeter. So the answer, total surface area of cuboid with length, breadth and height as this. Answer is 460 centimeter square. Second question, length is 2.5 meter. Length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 3.5 centimeter and height is 1.4 centimeter. So we have to find the total surface area of the cuboid. Formula is 2 in the bracket LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 LB is 5 into 3.5 plus BH, so 3.5 into 1.4 plus LH 5 into 1.4. Now we'll multiply this. 35 5s is 175. Decimal point after 1 digit, so to the answer also after 1 digit. 35 into 14 is 490. This is decimal point after, this is 1 and 1, so 2 digits, so here we have to give after 2 digit. So this is 4.90, or simply we can write 4.9 also, plus 5 into 1.4, so 14 5s is 70. So as the decimal point, so we'll give this is 7.0. Now we have to add all these numbers. While adding, how to write? See, this is 17.5. So 17.5. 4.90, we'll consider this as 4.9 only. So decimal point should be below the decimal point, and this here 4.9. 7.0. Add this number. 5 plus 9 14. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 2. So this is 29.4. So we'll write this 29.4 over here. Now to this 29.4, if we'll multiply by 2, we'll get 58.8. It's 58.8 unit centimeter square. So the second answer is 58.8 centimeter square. Third question, length is 2.5 meter, breadth 2 meter and height is 2.4 meter. So total surface area formula is 2 in the bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Now we'll substitute the values of L, B and H here from here. So we got this. Now we'll multiply this. 25 twos are 50. Decimal point after 1 digit. So 5.0. So this is 5 plus 2 into 2.4. So 24 twos is 48. So decimal point after 1 digit, it is 4.8 plus 2.5 into 2.4. So if we multiply 25 into 24, we'll get the answer 600. Decimal point after this is 1 and 1, so after 2 digits, so 6.00. So we'll write this as 6 only. So this is 2 in the bracket. We'll add these two numbers. So 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 4.8. So 11 plus 4 is 15.8, or you just write like this. 11 means 11.0 and 4.8. So the addition is 15.8. Okay. Now to the 15.8, if we multiply by 2, so double of this is 31.6. And unit is meter, so this unit will be meter square. Fourth question. L 8 meter, B 5 meter and H is 3.5 meter. Total surface area of cuboid formula 2 in the bracket LB plus BH plus LH. 2, after substituting these values, LB, that is 8 into 5. So 8 5s are 40 plus BH, that is 5 into 3.5. So 5 into 3.5. So 35 5s is 175. Decimal point after 1 digit. So this is 17.5 plus LH, that is 8 into 3.5. So 35 8s is 280. Decimal point after 1 digit. So this. Now we'll add this 40. So 40 means 40.0. As decimal point is not here, we can write the decimal point. 17.5. So this is 17. Decimal point should be below the decimal point. And 28.0. It's 5, 15, 85. So this is 85.5. 85.5. So double of this or multiply by 2 will give decimal point after 1 digit. So this is 171, and as this is meter, this will come in meter square. So the total surface of the surface area for cuboid is 171 meter square.